This is CMF Phone 1, and today I'll show how you can fix hacked system on this device. So if you think or you suspect that your smartphone has gotten compromised in terms of security or perhaps infected with malware, you can start by checking for available software and security updates, since those things are usually designed to improve the security situation and terminate known security threats and security breaches, which may help you. So go into your system or device's settings, then enter the security and privacy, go into, not device finders, but system and updates, and first check for system updates. And if there is a newer software version, make sure to download and install it. You can also check for security updates. That's also a very important thing. And Google Play System Update is also worth checking. We check the Google Play System Update while checking for system updates, but sometimes they go separately. So just to be extra safe, always make sure to install the latest software. Then you can also check the list of device administrators. So the easiest way to do that is to simply use the settings, search, and open the device admin apps list and see if any suspicious app has this permission active, and what's more important, if any app over here has the device administrator rights, but you do not recall giving it those rights or providing it with those rights. And what your course of action in that case should be to deactivate this access right away and uninstall the app right afterwards. And the final advice that I have is that you scan your system for harmful apps using the built-in Play Store Play Protect feature. So launch the Google Play Store, then at the top right corner of your display, tap at your profile picture. So once again, then go into the Play Protect and press scan. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, do not hesitate to use the comment section below this guide. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.